Well, I rummaged around and I've got some construction adhesive. This is called VideoJoeShows 2300, and it's kind of like my liquid nails. It's black, but I think I'm going to try that, and I'll just have to be careful with it. Now, if I didn't have that, I could use my old standby Alex Plus acrylic latex caulk plus silicone. I use this for most of my caulking when I caulk the top of the baseboards and the outside corners, the inside corners, all that kind of stuff. I'll use the depth, and I could use that. I could use that behind the base. I think it would stick. I could do that. I've done that before. You know, for the small pieces up against the wall, I'll have to do that. You know, because I don't want any of the other mastic to come out. So, you know, I'm contemplating on that. I've got 3 or 4 tubes of this caulking of the white Alex Plus. And on second thought, I think I'm going to do that. I'm going to save this for something else. It's like once I open it, you know, I don't know when the next time I'm going to use that, and it could dry out before I'm ready to maybe use an entire tube of that, because I'm only going to use maybe that much, if that, out of this caulking tube. So, Alex Plus, you've come through for me again. I'm going to use you. Don't fail me now.